So yeah, I just replaced my valve cover gaskets. Here they are on my Toyota 4Runner. It's this third generation. Here it is. And when I took it for a spin, I noticed that my, heater or temperature gauge stopped working. So it doesn't do nothing. Yeah, well, it stopped working. And I am 99% sure that what's it called sensor wire harness has been disconnected, and I am 99% sure that's what happened. So I'm just letting you guys know for some things to watch out for if you're going to be doing that as well, because now that I put it all together, it's going to be much more difficult to get my hands out there down there to put it back. Okay, put this on the engine, so I put my hand under. Okay, and I got this little mirror. Hopefully I can be able to use it in a flashlight. It's there it is. Yep, my suspicions were right. Goes on to, it's like, I think it's on the ground or something. Okay, where is it supposed to go? Oh, there it is, I see it. Okay, there, give me some more. Okay. But it works now, see? Alright, as you can see, the gauge is working. Or if you have any more questions, ask a question. I'll try to answer it the best way I can. Or if it did not work for you, and you want to, see what else it could be, also, write a comment. We'll try to figure it out. Um, you know, uh, the next step to take. And also, if you want, like, subscribe, share the video. Thank you.